Look, thumbnail karo. हाँ करो ना आ करो ना Right, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to be doing Momo challenge, which is basically like dumplings. So if you want to know how to make momo, head over to my dad's channel. He's got a cooking channel kind of thing going on, so make sure to look at that one. So we've got this pickle as well. Look at this, and it's basically like proper Nepalese pickle. One of the so hottest. We're just gonna pour it into our dumplings. So we're just gonna see who can finish this first. Whoever finishes first, what are they gonna get?
Other Lord free momo.
It's gonna be free anyway. Right, so what do we need to do?
So we need to start.
Wait, let me put a timer on. Right, who do you think is gonna win? Comment down below.
Ready?
Wait.
I need a more pickle first.
This is what it looks like with the pickle.
This pickle is going up. I need a more.
Are you mad?
That's
you don't actually need pickle, you know. Right.
Come on then, you start. Come on.
Right. So who's gonna finish it first? I'm gonna.
Oh, you're going to be start by hand?
Yeah, I'm not gonna use cutlery.
Oh.
Right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Great.
This is good. Có tôi làm không?
My God.
I'm gonna win.
Look like you're cheating me now. Put less momo look like it.
What the hell? I just really... What the hell, Daddy? Are you mad?
No. आज नहीं गलती गरेछु मैले मोमो नै गर्ने नि के.
Right, he thinks I'm cheating. Mate, I put 10 on yours and then I put 10 on mine. I'm the winner. Lick the plate. Lick the plate.
Oh.
Oh, the sauce is so plain. Right, we decided to do 10 each because we wanted to enjoy the rest of the momo. So I'm the winner. He's the loser.
Oh.
So that means he will have to take me shopping.
Holiday. Nepal.
Right, that's the end of the video. If you want to know how to learn, if you want to learn how to make momo, head over to my dad's channel. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Thank you.